Hello everyone, in this video we will see what do you mean by affine cipher and its example. So affine cipher, it is the type of substitution cipher and it is the combination of additive cipher and multiplicative cipher. So additive cipher, it's nothing but our Caesar cipher and generalized Caesar cipher. That time we are adding the key in our plain text and then we are taking the mod of that 26. But in case of multiplicative cipher, in encryption algorithm, we are taking the multiplication of our plain text and the key. And in case of decryption, we are taking the division of our ciphertext and the key. Then we will get our plain text. In case of decryption, we are multiplying by the multiplicative inverse of the key. That is called as multiplicative cipher. So the first key is used for multiplicative cipher and the second key is used for additive cipher. That's why it is called as the combination of additive and multiplicative cipher. In the given example, the key pair is given, that is A, B. The first key is referred to as a multiplicative cipher and the second key will be referred to as an additive cipher. So whenever we are calculating the ciphertext, that time we are using the plain text into A, that is our multiplicative cipher key, plus B. So B is nothing but our additive cipher, mod 26. When we are multiplying, that times this term is called as a multiplicative cipher, and when we are adding, that time this term is called as a additive cipher. So the formula for encryption is plaintext into A plus B mod 26, and the formula for decryption is for calculating the plain text, we are using ciphertext minus B, that is our additive cipher key, plus A inverse, that is multiplicative inverse of our multiplicative cipher mod 26. Now let's begin with the examples. In the given example, plain text is hello and our key pair is 7, 2. Whenever we are considering our key pair is equal to A, B, that means A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 2. So now let's start first of all with the encryption process. So first of all, write down all the plain text letters, that is H, E, L, L and 0. Now we have to write the index for all the alphabets. So for H we can write 7, then 4, then 11 and then last one is 14. Now what is the formula? We are taking the multiplicative value of your first key pair, that is 7 into 7, that is 7 into A plus B. So B is nothing but 2 and then we have to take the mod of this 26. So 7 into 7, that is 49 plus 2, that is 51 and 51 mod 26, we will get the value, that is 25. And for 25 we can write our ciphertext letter as a Z. For E is equal to 4, we are taking 4 into 7 plus 2 mod of 26 is equal to 4 into 7, that is 28. 28 plus 2, that is 31. So 31 mod 26, it is nothing but value is equal to 4. And for 4, we can write the alphabet, that is E. Again, 11 into key pair A, that is 7 plus B, that is 2 mod 26. So 11 into 7, 27, 77 plus 2 is equal to 79 mod of 26. Now we get value of our answer is 1 and for 1 we can write the alphabet as B. The same procedure is repeated for this again because two letters are same in that given plain text. So for L, we can write 11 into 7 plus 2 mod of 26. Then we will get the same answer, that is 79 mod 26 is equal to 1. And for 1, we can write the ciphertext as B. Now we will calculate it for 14. So 14 into A, that is 7 plus B, that is 2 mod of 26. So 14 into 7 plus 2, we get the value that is 100, and 100 mod 26, we will get the value that is 22. And for 22, we can write the alphabet that is W. So for hello, plain text, we will get the message ZEBBW. This is our ciphertext. Now let's we begins with our decryption process, and for decryption we are using that formula that is P is equal to ciphertext minus B into A inverse mod of 26. We have our key pair that is A comma B is equal to 7 comma 2. So 7 is our A and 2 is our B. Now let's put all the values in our formula. Before that we have to write all the alphabet, that is Z, E, D, B and W. For Z we can write the value that is 25. For E it is 4. For B it is 1. And for W it is 22. Now let's put all the values in our formula. 10, 25 minus 2 into 7 inverse mod of 26, because B is nothing but our 2 and A is nothing but 7. After calculating, we will get 25 minus 2 is equal to 23 into 7 inverse. It is nothing but, we can write it as 23 divided by 7. So first of all, we have to solve with our C minus B, and then we have to calculate the values of our A inverse. That's why we have to write it as 23 divided by 7 mod 26. The number 23 is not divisible by 7. That's why we have to add 26 plus 23 divided by 7 mod of 26. And now 26 plus 23 divided by 7, it is nothing but 49 divided by 7 mod of 26. 49 divided by 7, you will get the value 7 mod 26, and 7 mod 26, it is nothing but 7, and for 7 we can write our plain text letter as a H. We have to solve for all this alphabet. For E, we can write 4 minus 2 into 7 inverse mod of 26. So 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. 2 divided by 7 mod of 26. Now 2 is also not divisible by 7. That's why we have to add here 26 plus 2 and 7 mod 26. Whenever we are adding here 26 plus 2, then we will get the value that is 28. And now 28 is divisible by 7. So 28 divisible by 7 mod 26. 28 divided by 7, you will get the value 4. And 4 mod 26, we can write it as E. Now let's calculate it for B is equal to 1. For B is equal to 1, we are putting the values into formula, that is 1 minus 2 into 7 inverse mod of 26. Then we get the value that is minus 1 divided by 7 mod of 26. When we are adding the value, that is 26 plus minus 1, then mod of 26 divided by 7. Then we will get the value 25, and 25 is again not divisible by 7. That's why we have to add 26 one more time. So 26 plus 26 minus 1 divided by 7. Then we get the value 51 divided by 7. It is again not divisible by 7. That's why again we have to add the 26 here. So 26 plus 26 plus 26 minus 1 divided by 7. And then we are doing mod of 26. Then we get the value that is 26 plus 26 plus 26 minus 1 is equal to 77. And the 77 is divisible by 7. So 77 mod of 26, we will get the value that is 11. And 11 mod 26 is nothing but 11. And for 11, we can write the alphabet as L. For next time, again it is B is equal to 1. For B is equal to 1, we will get our ciphertext is equal to 11. And 11 is nothing but our value is equal to L. Now we have to calculate it for B. W is equal to 22. For 22, we can write 22 minus 2 into 7 inverse mod of 26. For this purpose, how we can solve? So let's put all the values in formula, and after putting all the values into formula, we will get 22 minus 2 is equal to 20 and 20 divided by 7 mod of 26. So 20 is also again not divisible by 7. That's why we have to add 26 before 20. And we have to check how many times we have to add 26 here. Then this number will be divisible by 7. And here we require 3 times to add 26 in our 20. Then we get the value that is 26 plus 26 plus 20 plus 20 is nothing but 98, and 98 is divisible by 7. So 98 divisible by 7 and we get the value is equal to 14, and 14 mod 26 is equal to 14. And 14 we can write the ciphertext to plaintext is equal to O. So for our ZEBBW ciphertext, we will get our plaintext message that is HELLO, that is hello.